Good morning, it's Monday, September the 14th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show bringing you the best press releases along with the halts at the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Have a great show lined up for you this morning, folks. Hopefully you all had a tremendous weekend. It is September 14th. We are at the start of trading season, so pay close attention. I've got two great press releases, I've got three great press releases from the Canadian side, all have to do with resources, nothing from the U.S. side, and I've got one halt to report on. Now, before we actually get down to that, I'd like to welcome the newest member of the AGORACOM 100. That's Benton Resources. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol BTC. Let me give you a little bit of information about this company, folks. Looks like a good one. They've got an aggressive and experienced management team, which is focused on base and precious group metals exploration. The company's diverse property portfolio includes Canadian projects which are highly prospective for gold, uranium, platinum, palladium, nickel, and copper. I've got some highlights which include they've got $15 million of cash in the bank. That's a big plus for any mining company. They've got 34% ownership of Coral Mining. They trade on the TSX under the symbol COP. They have ownership in Marathon PGM Corp. It trades on the TSX under the symbol MAR, and they're currently drilling their second phase diamond drill program on the Copper Hill Block A property. The company's last at 65 cents. High of 65, so that their 52-week high, low of 11 cents, and a market cap of $44 million. Once again, that's Benton Resources. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol BTC. This company has a lot of great things going for them, so make sure to take a look. Now, let's get down to the news this morning. Our lead story comes out of a company called Exeter Resource Corporation. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol XRC. They also trade on the New York Stock Exchange Amex under the symbol XRA. Some pretty big news coming out of Exeter this morning. They've got a resource estimate showing 19.6 million ounces of gold, 4.8 billion pounds of copper, and that's for their Caspiche project, which is located in Chile. It's a 43-101 compliant inferred mineral resource estimate. And as I'd mentioned, they've got some big numbers coming out of the company. A little bit about the company. They're a Canadian mineral exploration company focused on the discovery and development of gold and silver properties in South Africa, and the company has $30 million of cash in its treasury, so another big bonus along with those big numbers coming out of Exeter. They're last at $4.38, high of $4.89, low of $1.05, and a market cap of approximately $181 million. Now, moving on to our next company, New Dawn. They're a junior gold producer, and with a price of gold hovering around $1,000, announced this is one you might want to take a look at. They're New Dawn. They trade on the TSX under the symbol ND. They're announcing that their August 2009 represents their 5th consecutive month of increased gold production at its Turk mine in Zimbabwe, where they produced 1,019 ounces of gold. They sold that gold in August 2009, their total gold sales in August 2009 were $774,000, and the gold was sold at $949.90 per ounce average gold price. A little bit about the company. They're a Zimbabwe-focused junior gold company currently increasing gold production at its Turk and Angeles mines, and the potential to produce is estimated at 35,000 to 50,000 ounces of gold per annum. So great news coming out of New Dawn this morning. Disclaimer time, they aren't a AGORACOM client. However, as always, we only bring you companies with great news. They're last at $1.05, high of $1.85, low of 5 cents, and a market cap of approximately $30 million. Now, moving on to our next company, Golden Minerals. They trade on the TSX under the symbol AUM. They're providing an updated resource estimate for their El Cuevar project, which is located in Argentina. We've got a resource estimate which has increased by nearly 50% to 14.4 million ounces of silver. It's a compliant report which demonstrates a resource estimate of 1.1 million tons of inferred resource at an average grade of 415 grams per ton of silver, resulting in 14.4 million total contained ounces of silver at a cutoff of 100 grams per ton of silver. Company has a portfolio of exploration projects primarily located in Argentina, Peru, and Mexico, last at $4.57. High of $5.36, low of $3.08, and the market cap of approximately $15 million. Now, moving on to the halts, I've only got one for you. Normabec Mining Resources, they trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol NMB. They have been halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Make sure to join us again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.